Today, we're doing a product review, and this product review is about this rectangular baking dish. Today, we are reviewing the MALACASA rectangular stoneware baking dish. This lidded stoneware baking dish holds 3 quarts of food. You can bake a whole chicken with vegetables for a one-pot meal, as well as your favorite spaghetti, lasagna, or casserole. The MALACASA stoneware baking dish is attractive, and it's also non-stick. It has a beautiful gray marble design. The lid has lovely detail and is easy to handle because of the knob. The lid will keep your dishes hot. Your buffet table will be exquisite with this baking dish. Now let me show you something else that's new in the kitchen. This is a large 3-quart rectangular baking dish. It's stoneware. It is dishwasher safe, oven safe, microwavable safe. You can take it out of your refrigerator and let it come to temperature just a little bit and actually put it into the oven. Now, I think this is going to be perfect for Easter because I can actually bake my chicken in this stoneware dish, and you can see how beautiful it is. Look at the detail on the top of this dish. It is a gorgeous piece of cookware. And I'm going to see if I can do this and not have it fall. There we go. Now, it is substantial. It is approximately 9 by 13 and holds quite a bit. Or can you see your macaroni and cheese in this dish and serving your family your Easter dinner? So, this beautiful rectangular stoneware dish is going to add to our kitchen and certainly add to our buffets and our dinner tables. Besides being attractive, the MALACASA baking dish is practical for the kitchen. This baking dish can go from the refrigerator to the oven because it's oven safe. It can also be used in the microwave because it's microwave safe. And the cleanup is easy because this lidded rectangular baking dish is also dishwasher safe. Thank you for taking the time to review this product.